Creative is a partnership between BBC Wales and Arts Council of Wales. And the event we've got here today in Gallery kickstarts a weekend of events where we're asking people to get creative and try something new for the first time.
And if you can hear, it's a different note, isn't it? Wow! It's the Win Every Show live from Greu!
Wel, mae'n gred gweithdi tywydd heddiw. Jyst I blant dod I gael go arni lle.
A giant gold statue of Dame Shirley Bassey has helped start the Get Creative campaign.
Mae'n sefyll yn onfalch ar falcon i'r castell yn debyg I buddig y frenhines Geltaidd.
It's Shirley Bassey as Queen Boadicea, the Celtic warrior queen. So it's an amalgamation of two very strong female kind of figures, and she really is calling out for people to take action, to embrace the arts, and that's exactly what the Get Creative Weekend is about.
At Rubicon Dance in Cardiff, they're getting stuck in with a breakdancing workshop, one of the events it's hosting as part of the Get Creative Weekend. And this is what the weekend is all about, trying something new and finding out what's on offer from the arts in Wales.
We've got some lights going on, you can probably hear lots of sound going on. Lots of things for people to come into the gallery here and try violins. We've got electronic things going on here. They can have a go on light stuff, and so together we're all going to make some music together.
I've been playing the piano in the technology room, and I've been wearing goggles which showed me underwater, and it was very, very fun, and it was 3D, I think.
Dwi wedi dweud y tywydd ar sgrin bach allan yn fanna. Dwi wedi bod yn gwneud hwn, weaving. Dwi wedi bod yn gwneud codio I lawr cyfriadur. A dwi wedi cael amser da iawn yn gwneud hynny.
Today I came here to see Dr. Ustad, and I enjoyed doing the Let Go.
Dwi wedi dod efo yr hogia heddiw yma, a da ni wedi bod yn mwynhau wneud y gweithdai Lego, y codio a'r gema, a gweithgareddau music workshops. Wedi cael diwrnod gwych, do.
I've been on stilts. It's so much fun. I've been going upstairs and I've been doing this knitting thing here, and it was really fun, and we're going to leave soon. Thank you.